Welcome to today's part of this SPSS methodology, this time with a unit on t-tests, and in particular on paired sample or dependent sample t-tests. As already been done in the last part of this methodology, I shortly give an idea what's the difference between here, if we go to analyze and compare means, the independent and the paired sample t-test. Independent sample means I have two separate groups. Someone who's part of the first group is not part of the second group. Also, independent samples are collected at the same time. Paired samples are different. With paired samples I have the same observations in both samples, but I collect the data at two different points in time. So I collect, for example, the opinion of one of my observations before some event and after some event, and then I compare them and get an idea whether this event had a significant impact on the different observations, the different cases. Here we are focusing on the paired sample t-tests. So we go here, we see this is a very simple dialog, and what I'm going to do, I'm comparing the weight. Here we have weight, if I enlarge this a little bit, weight normal, weight after the holiday. So we take a look whether they are actually different. So we consider first of weight, then the weight after the holiday. Basically there's nothing more to be done, so we can just click OK. Get here the two means. We see weight after holiday is larger than normally. We also get a correlation between those two of 0.996, so highly correlated, significant correlation going on, meaning they actually show some similarities regarding how they develop, so meaning the structure is basically the same before and afterwards. And then down here, that's the real test, we get our t-value over here and our significance level or related significance level over here, showing us with a value of 0.0 that there's a significant difference between the situation before the event and after the event. So relating back to what we have, there's a significant difference between weight before the holiday, weight after the holiday. Okay, at this point we only shown there's a difference in weight. We haven't yet shown that the weight after the holiday is significantly larger than the weight before. So what we could do is switch from a two-tailed test to a one-tailed test, and this is easily done by just considering here the significance level and dividing it by 2. So we go 0 by 2, still remains 0, still remains lesser than 5%. Thus we can conclude the weight after the holidays is significantly larger than the weight before the holidays. This then already concludes this short session on paired sample t-tests. I hope you enjoyed listening to it and learned something from this short session. If you want to see more of this type of videos, feel free to visit the rest of this SPSS methodology. Until then, see you and goodbye.